Hello guys, good day and welcome to Arkinos. I'm Architect Jojo. Today we're here in Congressional Town Center. So Tower 3 na to, no? So nandito tayo ngayon sa level na kung saan naghuhukay na tayo dito sa level basement natin. Now, we are witnessing right now yung pag-shotkit natin. Yung sa shotkit natin is 2 meters yung taas niya, no? So I'm here with Engineer Miko of Active JU Angkor. So ito yung mga workers nila dito nagpe-prepare para dito sa ating pag-shotcrete. So ano ba yung area na isa-shotcrete natin? So yan yung wall na isa-shotcrete natin ngayong gabi. So ngayong araw or ngayong gabi is 6:26 PM na. So yan, nandun kami sa ilalim. Yun yung pinakataas. So ito yung Tower 2 ng Congressional Town Center. Yun naman yung Tower 1 at yung tatayo natin is Tower 3. So mag-start ngayon tayo nung pag-shotcrete nitong ating wall. Then tomorrow will be the soil nailing to follow after this shotcreting of this wall. And habang nagre-ready tayo ng pagbubuhos or pag-shotcrete natin ng wall na to, so ito yung mga workers ng Active JU Angkor. O kaway naman kayo guys, para di gutumin. Ayan, to si engineer. Yan, dito sa taas. O wala na, nagtago na, takot sa camera. O. Yan. So ito yung nature or yung condition ng ating site ngayon while we are preparing for the shotcreting of this wall. So bakit natin siya kailangan shotcrete? So kasi we need to protect from any soil erosion. So kaya natin siya shotcrete. So we are starting now with the shotcreting of the wall. So yan na. Nag-start na tayo guys ng shotcreting, no? So inuna muna natin tong right side nung area. So yun yung kahabaan ng wall na isa-shotcrete natin. Yung taas nung shotcrete natin na wall is 2 meters. Now about 10 meters yung length ng wall na isa-shotcrete natin. So ito ngayon yung manner ng shotcreting ng ating wall. So yan guys, we're starting now the shotcreting of this concrete wall. So meron siyang steel matting na nakalagay dyan, which is yung pinaka-reinforcement niya. Then also, steel matting natin is 4x4, yung pinaka-square niya. Then later on tomorrow, kita nyo yung mga rebars na nandyan. Yung center na to, mga center niyan, dyan natin ilalagay yung ating soil nailing. So bukas yan gagawin. So nakaprepare na yan para bukas. So ito guys yung condition ng site natin ngayon. So since ang structure natin is 3-level basement and 39-story high. So nag-start tayo dito sa shotcreting ng ating wall to protect itong wall natin from any soil erosion at hindi siya mag-collapse during our excavation. Ito naman sa area natin or adjacent building, yan yung Tower 1. And the Tower 2 ng ating structure dito sa Congressional Town Center. Alright guys, so ongoing yung shotcreting natin itong ating wall. As you can see here, na yung thickness ng ating shotcrete, yung pinaka-finished surface niya will be 3 inches. So you can see itong mga steel matting na nakalagay. So yun yung pinaka-reinforcement ng ating shotcreting. Then meron din siyang mga bakal or rebars na yan. Kita nyo yun. Yan din yung area or itong pinaka-middle na to, yung nasa square na yan, dyan natin i-drill yung ating soil nailing. So ongoing ngayon yung ating shotcreting. So medyo matagal to, maybe it takes about an hour to complete the shotcreting of this wall. So guys, so tuloy-tuloy yung shotcreting ng ating wall. So pupunuin natin siya hanggang sa maging pantay siya nitong ating wall dito. So it should be naka-flush doon sa wall na to. Now you can see above, so meron tayong mga reference na nilagay, no? So yung nakikita nyo sa taas, yan yung elevation zero natin going to 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and so forth. Now approximately, no, mula doon sa ibabaw na yon, yung elevation zero natin is about 7 meters na tayo ang lalim dito sa inuhukay natin. So we provided shotcreting to protect the soil from any soil erosion and to avoid na mag-collapse. So ang thickness natin ng shotcreting is 3 inches. na mag-flush lang siya doon sa wall or existing wall na yan. Alright guys, so hindi na natin tatapusin na mapuno itong wall na to, but later on, I will show you yung finish na area na na-shotcrete na natin. Ito yung area na na-shotcrete na natin. O, kita nyo yung surface niya. So, ganyan yung magiging surface nung na-shotcrete natin. Now, ito naman yung part or area na hindi pa natin na-shotcrete. So, dapat maging ganyan yung surface niya at mag-flush doon sa pader na nasa taas. Now, nandito na tayo ngayon sa taas. So, bird's eye view na yung view natin dito. So, ito yung area na sinashotcrete natin ngayong gabi. 7:44 ng gabi na. So, still ongoing yung shotcreting natin. So, kailangan natin ma-shotcrete yung buong wall na yan. So, in preparation para dun sa ating soil nailing. Yan, so ito yung condition natin dito sa site project. This is the Congressional Town Center Tower 3. Alright guys, so hindi na natin tatapusin yung pag-shotcrete hanggang sa matapos at mabuo. But at least napakita ko sa inyo yung methodology ng shotcreting ng ating soil dito. So we shotcrete this wall to protect the soil from any soil erosion and also to protect yung ating wall na nasa taas. So habang naghukay tayo, going down to the next level ng ating basement, meron tayong shotcrete. And also, one of the methodology to protect the soil is through soil nailing. So afterwards, na tumigas yan and we will schedule yung ating soil nailing dito sa ating wall. Alright guys, so till then, I'm Architect Jojo, joyfully sharing with you what Archi knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.